Okay, so here we go with another battle box. You guys know that I get send this to the channel here for me to show it to you guys. I don't pay for this. I don't give any money for this, anything like that. I get it for free. We got to put that out of the way. But again, another battle box, a lot of equipment, tactical, camping, how to make a fire and stuff like that. And you guys know the deal. This is going to be battle box mission 112. It comes with a little book like this. And then inside here, you're going to have different subscription, as pretty much everybody knows. Look at this knife. This is going to be cool, right? So it comes with different subscription, like the basic, the advanced, and the pro plus and things like that. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to show you the items that we got here. Let me know what you think definitely down in the comment section below. All man glasses on. Okay, so I got a bunch of stuff here. So let's start with the basic box. The first thing is going to be an organizer. This right here that you're going to see there. It looks to me that it's some kind of strap that you could put in a tent anywhere, and then you could organize some of the gear. And this is kind of what you have right here. It comes in a little pack like that, and it's pretty much a portable hanger. I'm going to give you a look right there. You guys can see, right? So again, you hang it and then you can organize some of your gear. It says portable hanger right there. I actually like this just by looking at it. Something that it's kind of cool, right? Especially being on deployment, things like that. It would have been cool to have something to hang your stuff. So yeah, that's going to be the first item in the basic box. Second item is going to be a fire kit. You can see it right here. I tell you, Battlebox love fire kit, because we get one all the time, right? So again, this is great to put inside your camping bag or something like that. So you're gonna have a fiber-like fire kit, and this is what you got. And the last item in the basic box is gonna be this sharpener. Kind of cool, right? We all got a bunch of knife, and this is going to be something portable that you could put anywhere to sharpen your knife. You can do hook sharpener, shear sharpener, knife. Here's a little picture in the back. Okay, we're going to jump into the advanced box, and this is kind of what you have right here. So obviously it's going to be a C kit, nicely sealed. And if you look at here at the description, you're going to see all the ones that you're going to have. So you see all the little packs right there. And again, just giving you a quick look so you can have an idea. You got cabbage, corn, cucumber, kale, onion, squash, tomato. So again, a bunch of C's in there. Okay, the pro box is gonna have this. Apparently this is a table, and I'm just gonna give you a look in here. This is kind of what you have. So again, if you go into camping and things like that, a little portable table that you could just use to help you be more comfortable in the wilderness. And the last item is gonna be a knife. Kind of excited about this. We're gonna open it up just to get an idea. Just made a mess in here. Let's go ahead and open it up. This is kind of what you have right there. Kind of cool in the presentation. And here's a knife right there, just giving you a look. It is closed, really cool. I like the style, very unique when it comes to the collar and all that. Let's kind of open it up, and this is kind of what you have right there. So kind of cool blade to carry. It is not liner lock or spring lock. It is right here rear. I forgot what this is called. Put it in the comment, but that's kind of how you close it, right? So again, open it really nice right there, and it looks like a cool knife. Feels okay in my hands, kind of small for me, but it feels okay. So again, closer look of the knife, and I'm just gonna read some of the specs right here. Made in Italy, weighs 1.98 ounces. The blade is gonna be about 2.76. The overall length is gonna be 6.30, and the blade steel is gonna be N690. Again, pretty cool knife. So that's Battlebox 112. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below, and as always, God is in control.